Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chem Vibes. So for our organic chemistry video today, we'll be looking at some acetal formation mechanisms, and specifically I want to talk about the PMP protection of 1,3-diols. So the oxygen is first protonated by the acid catalyst, which is camphorsulfonic acid. And this protonation allows for methanol as a leaving group. And the loss of methanol will allow for the formation of an electrophilic carbonyl intermediate. The OH group can now act as a nucleophile and attack the electrophilic carbonyl carbon, and this intermediate can now lose a proton from the conjugated base of the camphorsulfonic acid and thus reforming the catalyst. From here is to repeat these steps again. So a proton is picked up from the acid catalyst, allowing for methanol as a leaving group, and the loss of methanol will then allow for the formation of the electrophilic carbonyl intermediate. The other OH group acts as a nucleophile and attacks this electrophilic carbonyl carbon, and this allows for cyclization. Again, this intermediate can lose a proton from the conjugated base of the camphor sulfonic acid, thus reforming the catalyst and forming the final product.